gonna make some fermented hard-boiled eggs. It's like pickled eggs, but fermented. So here we have a hard-boiled egg, and we're gonna pickle it with our old fermented pickle juice, our living brine. This is the strongest egg. Still the hardest egg. So I have different kinds of brine here, and I really love a purple egg. So I'm gonna use this radish with beetroot, rose hips, and star anise brine. Mystery brine, backslop, something brine. There we go. Just to make sure everything is underneath, you can put a kraut weight or a cabbage leaf on top. And when you open it up, it's very sulfurous. But don't be afraid, it's a pickled egg. And we're gonna let that sit for at least 5 days, and it lasts in the fridge after this 5 days, pretty much indefinitely. If you don't have brine, check out our online courses, how to make your own pickles, krauts, kimchis, and you can make your own brine to make more projects like this.